Good morning, I'm Kiran Raj. Welcome to the online classes on problem solving using C. Today we'll discuss about the chapter managing input and output. There are different functions are available to manage the input and output operation. They are scanf, printf, getchar, putchar, gets and puts. All these functions they belongs to stdio.h library file. Printf and the scanf is already discussed in the previous videos of the constants and expression. Please look into it for details about it. Today we will discuss mainly about unformatted input and output function. They are getchar, gets, putchar and puts. Unformatted input function getchar. Getchar is used to accept the single character from the keyboard or any input device. You are going to take only one character from the keyboard or any input devices. Even if you try to input more characters, it is only going to take only one character. The syntax is variable name is equal to getchar, where the data type of the variable name will be of character type. So as soon as this line will get executed, your keyboard, this function, that is getchar function, will get the data from the keyboard or any input device and it will store that in the variable name. Gets, when you want to accept string or when you want to accept a line, that time you are going to use the gets function. So here also it is going to accept the input from any keyboard or any input device. So you have the syntax gets of string. While coming to here, whatever the string you are going to get or whatever the line you are going to get, that will be stored in the string. Whatever the value you are going to accept, that will be stored in string here. Okay. Unformatted output function, putchar, it is used for the display purpose and it is only going to output single character. So putchar variable name. So it is going to display the character that is present in the variable name or that is stored in the variable name. Puts, it is going to print the string or it is going to display the string that is present in the expression or in the string here. So puts expression, whatever the value that is going to be here, whether it is variable or whether it is expression, so it will go there and it will fetch the data and it is going to display it. For example, in the previous thing what we had, gets string, right? So that means the whatever the line you have entered, that is stored in string, correct? So I can, instead of gets, I can now do the puts. So puts string, that means the value which is present in the string, that will be displayed on the screen. So here putchar and puts is very similar to printf statement. So it is going to print or it is going to display the details or the information on the screen, that is output screen, and getchar and gets is very similar to scanf statement where you are going to accept the data or information from the keyboard. So this is one of the program where I have used getChar and putChar. So getChar is used to get the character and putChar is used to display the character. Okay. I have used this simple program to explain getChar and the putChar. So getChar is used to get the data from the keyboard or get the character from the keyboard, and putChar is used to display the character on the screen. I have the variable C of character type and I am requesting for the character that need to be entered. So printf enter character, so that statement will be displayed. And what about here? C is equal to getChar. GetChar, when it is getting executed, you have to enter the data or character, single character from your keyboard, and that will get stored in C. That will get stored in C. Afterwards, you are going to display the character. So printf character entered is what? PutChar. PutChar of C. So you are going to display the character C which got. So you are going to display the value that is present in C. Return 0, end of the program. In this program, I am trying to explain gets and puts, which mainly deals with the strings. So here I have the string str of 50. So it is of type character, right? String belongs to character, right? Okay. So here I am requesting for the string here, enter a string. So I will get the string from the keyboard. Okay. String, that means name or anything, just one sentence, anything. You will get that, right? Gets. And when you get the string there, or when you get the data, or when you get the details, the whatever it is entered, it will be getting stored in str. And in the next, what I have to do? Next, I'll be displaying it, right? So I will display it. So entered string is puts str. So when I do puts str, the string that or whatever the value that is stored in str will be displayed. Return 0. So gets is very similar to your scanner and puts is very similar to your printf statement. And please have the /n in the printf statement, so you can have the different lines. Your output will appear in different lines. Okay. Thank you.